even if she believes her family was unfairly treated by ABS-CBN in the past. Senator Nancy Binay supports the Kapamilya Network's franchise renewal bid. Binay will vote in favor of granting ABS-CBN a new franchise if a bill reaches the Senate. Around 11,000 workers will lose their jobs if the network closes. She believes members of her family were not given fair treatment by ABS-CBN during the nationwide news coverage when her father, former Vice President Jejomar Binay, and brother, former Makati Mayor Junjun Binay, were accused of irregularities in connection with the allegedly overpriced Makati City Hall parking building tour. Netizens praised the lady senator for being sensible and firm. Netizens even compared Binay with Senate President Tito Soto and Senator Cynthia Villar. Before the Senate can act, the House needs to pass the bills granting a new franchise. The House has yet to schedule a hearing on the bills.